So you can practice this tutorial with me. We will see how to use the Elementor elements to build the web page without a single code. We will know how to make the web page by drag and drop. So if you have the WordPress installed website, then only install this theme, Hello Elementor, in the WordPress, and install the Elementor plugin. And if you do not have Elementor plugin, you can contact with me. Elementor has two different plugins. One is the free and one is the paid one. Elementor is the free one, which you would have the basic element like heading, image, text editor, video button, divider, spacer, Google Map, and the icon. And for the paid version, the pro one, you will get all these elements: slides, menu, flipbox, price table, call to action. Let's see the price table. Price list. Then we have the flipbox. So to get this element, you have to buy the pro version. For the free version, you go to the plugins, add new, and from there you type here Elementor, and you will see the Elementor here. And for the paid version, Elementor Pro, which is for the one website, is $59 USD per year. So after installing the Pro one, you will get all these elements, and also you will be able to get this pre-made the website blocks and the pages. And let me show you. Click this one, this folder icon, and here you will see the blocks and the pages. In the blocks, you have various categories blocks for the archive, benefits, call to action. Let's see some of the call to action. We can insert this call to action to our web pages. Let's get this one insert. And if you are using without the signing in, when you click the insert, it will make a new window. They will tell you to sign in before inserting the blocks, to import these blocks. So what you have to do is just to sign in, and then click the insert, and you will see in your web page you get that blocks, the call to action. Okay, the next one is that we can bring a pages. Click the pages, and from here you will see the wireframe and also the about page and the contact page is here, which you can import. Let's import this one, travel blogger. No, let's bring this one, the exhibition gallery pages. Click the insert. This will override the design, layout, and other settings of this page you are working on. Apply. So we have now that pages, the exhibition gallery, and we have this pages. See, we have all this image and the caption. You can change the image and caption from here, and change the text. You can place the custom caption here. Alright, so this way you can build the which would speed up your work to build the web pages. And the next one is that we will work how to create the header and footer. To create the header and footer, you have to go to the template. From there, click theme builder. From there, you click the header plus button. So we will create a header now. Let's choose one. Let's get this one, insert. So we have this header now, the logo, the menu, and we have a top bar with the phone number, email, and the official time. So let's change the background color to green. All right, publish, add condition, enter site, save and close. Congrats, your site part is live. All right, now let's create the footer. To create the footer, you have to go to the theme builder again. From there, select this footer, click this plus icon, and we have the footer here. From here we can choose anyone. Let's choose this one. So we have the footer here. Here is the menu, the company, the picture, the get started, the logo, and here we have this social media icon. Then we have the weekly newsletter email. Now we can modify here the color of this, the background of this footer to black, and change the title colors to green. Alright, and this way you can change the text and the text color, change the font. Okay, now click the publish, add condition, enter site, save and close. Alright, so we have the header and the footer, and this way you can create the header and footer for any site, for any website. If you do not have the WordPress installed website and the Elementor plugin, you can still practice with me. Go to this address, tutorial.weavergeek.com/wp-login.php, which I will put in the description, and from there click the register, give your username and the email, click register. They will send you a link. From there you give a password and login. After the login, you will see a dashboard like this. From there, select this phase, select new. From the phase select add new, or type home, click publish, and click here edit with Elementor. And from here we will see the left side. We have all the elements of the Elementor plugin Pro, and here we can create the web pages. Here you see a plus button. Click here. We will see various containers in size. Let's take the 3 container one and click this one, this plus button. When you click this plus button, we will see all the elements in the left hand side. From there, select this heading. We can use this element to use for the titles and for the headlines. So we make it to align to center. From the style, select the color. We can change the color to red. We can change the typography. We can change the font in the typography. Change the font from here. Okay, We can change the size to bold and transform to capitalize or uppercase, lowercase. Okay, the next one is click this plus button, select this image and drag and drop here. Choose image. From the insert media, select any image. Let's select this one. So I see the image now. We can resize this image, align to center, style. We can increase or decrease the size from here. Okay, and we can put the caption also, custom caption, image, and we can put a custom link here for this image. Okay, so the next one is click here, select the single container, then click this plus button or click here. We will see all the elements in the left side. Select this one, the divider, and drop here. We can change the shape of this divider to dotted, to curly, and we can change the color. We can also put the icon. Sync all, and we can change the color of this icon to from the style icon to blue. Okay, great. So the next one is we will learn how to use the paragraph text. This one, click this plus button, select this two container. Now let's click this one or click here plus button. We will see all the elements in the left side. Drag and drop this text editor to here and select all this text, paste more. So we have many text here. Change the style, change the text color. We can align it to center. We can change the typography, size, font, and the style. Transform weight. We can also put the line height between the two lines. Okay. The next one is which we will learn is the how to place YouTube video on the web page. Click this video element, drag here, drag and drop. Oops, it's dropped here. No problem. We can drop here. And you see this is the YouTube video link. You can put a video link here from the YouTube. Also you can add the Vimeo and the Dailymotion video links here. And you can also customize more from the style, the aspect ratio, and about the autoplay of this video, mode, loop, and you can also put an image overlay. From here, select your own image from here, and people will see this, the play button and that background images. Let's just select this image, and see we have a placeholder image and this play button. Okay, next is we will learn how to make slide. We have a single container. Click this plus, type slide, drag and drop here. So we have three different slides here, slide 1, slide 2 and slide 3. Okay, let's delete the slide number 3. Select the slide number 1 and from here the background we choose this image, select. Okay, so we have a background image for first slide. We select this one, background overlay, so we can see a contrast of our text, as our text has the white color. We can select this canvas effect, so we see this image is zooming in. Okay, and from the content you can change the text. Hello morning. Okay, great. Let's select the slide number 2. Change the background image. Okay, and you can change the headline, the titles for this slide. Slide 2. Alright, we can increase the height of this slide. Okay, we can change the button color for this slide. So we have now the red color button. Okay, click here, update. It will save all the elements we have added and modified it. It will save in this web page. And click here, this I button. It will show us the preview of this web page. See, all the things we have done. You can see in the preview what we have done in this web page. Okay, so in the next is you can play all the elements from the left side. From here, create the container. And from the left side, you can bring all the elements one by one and drag and drop here. And you see how it looks, and so you can practice more with it, and you'll be able to create a very beautiful web page design. So in the next upcoming videos, we are going to create a fully functional website within 30 to 40 minutes without a single code. We are going to unleash our inner web superheroes and soar through the skies of creativity. Let's do it together. Subscribe, like and comment on this video, and let me know what kind of website I should make for you. Thank you.